Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert audio into Word 2016. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert audio into this document. Go to the insert menu, then click object menu. Then go to the create from file and browse, then select audio from our file. Now we can see here this audio and we select it, then insert, then click the display as an icon, then press OK. Now we can see here we insert audio file. We click the audio file, double click and click the open. Now we can see here we open the audio file in this Word document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.